9 अगस्त करीबन 10:30 बजे मैं कि सब कुछ खत्म हो गया। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? ये लड़की ने सुसाइड कर दिया है, ये खबर आई है हॉस्पिटल से। मैंने कहा शरीर में कोई कपड़ा नहीं था।
From the sexual assault crime that has happened. Now, a thick viscid liquid found inside the private parts. This is all being analyzed, remember, and the weight of the external and internal genital area.
9 अगस्त करीबन 10:30 बजे मेरे पड़ोसी को मैं चीखते बिखलाते हुए रोते हुए मुझे वो लिपटती है और कहती है कि सब कुछ खत्म हो गया। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? नहीं, मेरी लड़की ने सुसाइड कर दिया है, ये खबर आई है हॉस्पिटल से। मैंने कहा सुसाइड? किसने कहा, कैसे? बोले नहीं, उन्होंने कहा कि ये सुसाइड हुआ है। हम 4 जन, मिस्टर मिसेस, हम और हमारे एक और कर्मचारी, हम जब जाते हैं वहाँ हमको 3 घंटा खड़े रखा। एक पेरेंट्स जिनकी बच्ची 31 इयर्स ओल्ड की ऐसी ख़त्म हो जाती है, उनको 3 घंटा खड़ा रखा और ये हाथ जोड़ती रही। माँ बाप हाथ जोड़ते रहे, हमें एक बार दिखाओ, हमारी बच्ची का मुंह एक बार दिखाओ। हमको नहीं दिखाया गया। 3 घंटे तक खड़े रहने के बाद ये दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ अंदर जाते हैं सेमिनार रूम में और ये पापा अपने डेड बॉडी ऑफ द गर्ल जिसके मुंह में खून था फोटो खींच के लाके मुझे दिखाते हैं। उन बच्ची का शरीर में कोई कपड़ा नहीं था, पैर दोनों राइट एंगल में मिला गया। राइट एंगल में एक पांव बेड के इस तरफ, एक पांव बेड के इस तरफ मिला गया। जब तक पेल्विक गर्डल नहीं टूटता है, इस तरह 2 पांव को नहीं चीरा जा सकता है। चश्मे को कूटा गया जिसके वजह से आंखों से खून निकल गया। गले में गला दबाकर मारा गया। और पूरा ये जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, ये पूरा पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में वायरल हुआ है। आप लोग कृपया देखिए, ये कोई मनगढ़ंत नहीं है। मैं प्रधानमंत्री से हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि ये घटना जो एक 31 ईयर ओल्ड एक मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट who has cracked her
organs and the private parts were also weighed. No fractures have been found. This is significant, remember. But there was a lot of speculation references coming in. If there were fractures, bones broken in the body from the post-mortem, that hasn't appeared to have been concluded as. How did the death eventually happen? Due to manual strangulation associated with smothering that was happening. And therefore, was it just one accused? More than one? Is there a cover-up of some kind? And I want to bring in Shreya Chatterjee for the latest on that. And I want to bring it to the notice of the viewer. Why we are putting this out is to help understand that similarly like Nirbhaya, while there is a sexual assault crime, this went way beyond it. There were physical brutality shown to the woman in this case, and the viewer must understand what is leading to this chorus of justice and fight amid medical professionals. Shreya, a doctor, a woman at the safest spaces hospital, an accused comes in, walks into a seminar hall according to investigators, rapes, murders, brutalizes and is away. There is absolutely no fear. What do you think investigators are looking at? What can we assess from this post-mortem report, Shreya?
Well, you know, Pooja, first and foremost, the post-mortem report very categorically details a brutal assault that the deceased was inflicted upon. More so because all the injuries were before her death happened. These were anti-mortem injuries, more than 14 injury marks. The nature of the injuries in the form of abrasions and bruises. There are internal injuries that have also been recorded. But clearly the post-mortem report that will now come in after this, for example, the vaginal swabs, the visceral report, the PM blood, all these things will be very very crucial to understand whether at all there were more than one person involved, because that would change the sections as well. But as of now, the CBI is also conducting a psychoanalysis on the accused. The reason clearly is because of the brutality that the post-mortem report already medically registers. And the lapses that you're talking, Pooja, this person was a civic volunteer. He was part of the welfare committee. He was supposed to assist patients. He was supposed to assist the police. But clearly the kind of access that he had, he managed to go to the seminar hall. He was aware that people slept over there. That's something that cannot be ruled out. And that's precisely why the CBI is conducting a psychoanalysis test on him to understand that whether the motive was just rape and murder or there was another motive behind the entire crime.
This is absolutely disturbing, and perhaps that is why it will be significant to find out what exactly happened. Who is this man? Not a medical professional, manages to enter into a hospital, knows exactly where the woman is sleeping and indulges in the crime. Shreya, keep tracking all the details and all the